Hey everyone, it's Natalie. So I know I've been saying for a while now that I was going to get my YouTube channel up and running, and I never got around to it, but here it is, my first video 6 months later. Since getting my Lexus GS350 F Sport, I kind of wanted to document mod for mod along the way, each part that I got in, parts that I got installed, the shops that I brought it to, and maybe some car shows if that's something you guys would like to see. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Nia Auto Design front lip that I got paint matched to the F Sport gray of the center of my grille. I wanted to stand out a little bit and be a little different than everyone that was paint matching their lips to the color of the car, mostly the ultra white cars. I also trying to copy a certain car that's quite nice to mine by doing like the gunmetal looking gray for the lip. Now, we're going to be bringing it by our friends over at Vinyl Works to see if they're able to clear bra for us so it can be super protected, mostly since the car will be lowered. Now, I have my entire front end protected from Vinyl. They did my fenders, the mirrors, the pillars, front bumper, headlights, and the hood, mostly since the roads in San Diego are terrible. And I want to make sure everything is nice and protected, so let's open it up. So first thing I noticed when opening the box for the front lip was Nia did an awesome job making sure the lip was nice and protected from its long journey from Miami all the way to San Diego. And I have a box here that says open me, so let's open it and see what we got. Got a package here that says you might want to open this, so let's see what we got. So first thing we got in here is I got bolts. I got some Nia Auto Design stickers. And I have all the bolts that we'll be using to install it to the bumper. And I got a t-shirt, it looks like, that says Nia Auto Design from Florida. Mod your lifestyle. And lastly, I have a new license plate frame. Now, the most exciting part is to finally open up the front lip and see what it looks like. So as you can see, Nia did an amazing job packing, making sure that the lip got here with no scratches. There's not one scratch on the lip. Paint is perfect. It is beautiful. Perfect match to the F Sport gray. I am beyond excited to get this installed. I also love the little touch that they have in the center of the grille, right here. The little logo that says Nia Auto Design. And yeah. Can't wait to see it installed. Alright guys, the Nia Auto Design front lip is finally on. Install was quick and easy, fitment is perfect. I love it, I think it looks amazing. It makes the car look completely different. I think it's something that Lexus should definitely look into adding to the GS to complete the sporty and aggressive look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next for me to install onto the car. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.